Dhi achiel kachiel nyaka kaunti ma Kisumu hinyisa kanyo ni duol makedo ne ratich oganda duol makedo kod mibadhi e pachoka mano EACC bedo doche ma kawuono limo kaunti ma Kisumu ntiere chenro mede ntiere godo wadhi achiel kachiel mar mondo mawinj
of lands. In fact, it is important that we send the message out there that the people that are making such kind of applications are wasting their time because we as a county are not approving those developments. Through EACC, we've been able to recover quite a number of lands that were inappropriately acquired. EACC currently has quite a number which they are processing, a number which they are investigating, and we believe that once the investigations are concluded, they'll be able to push this to court, and we are prepared with the evidence that those lands belong to the people of Kisumu and not to an individual for self-interest. We are ready to stand in court of law and provide evidence and witness. We are grateful to EACC for having helped us to acquire Kibuye. Now, anybody can be able, any sane mind should be able to just imagine that Kibuye is the largest market, open air market we have in East and Central Africa. So somebody without any shame moves to Kibuye and inappropriately acquires part of that land, therefore disenfranchising the public, the community, not just Kisumu, but far and beyond. Such kind of a person, therefore, is committing an economic crime, and we would not be ashamed, to say that. Once of all, you are here and I'm seeing you being given bottles of water. Water is life. And somebody moves in to acquire a land inappropriately that is zoned, designated, planned, and vested for purposes of water treatment. So where does such kind of a person expect us then to move and treat water for the residents and the people of Kisumu and beyond? And this is the land that we have planned, we have designated, and all parameters. We could get land anywhere else, but through planning process, this is the only land that is ideal and suitable for this purpose. And so we are grateful to EACC for moving and helping us to acquire this kind of critical resources that belongs to the people of Kisumu. Your Honor, I think I want to say congratulations. And even for this occasion, we have quite a number that we are still moving on with the EACC. CEO, we are really, the governor wasn't available today, but he is available to meet you in the course of the week. You are aware of the engagement that has kept him in Nairobi, but we spoke and is available in the course of the week, and we'll reiterate a number of things, including the establishment of the regional headquarters for EACC within this region. So those are in negotiation, and we want to ensure that the people of Kenya, and not just the people of Kisumu, get what is their due share of what has been planned, what has been agreed, and what they gave themselves as a way of ensuring that there is effective and equitable development for this county and beyond. Thank you very much.
Another round of applause for Dr. Konyango. Thank you, Minister, for your pronouncements and a very clear statement. Our next speaker will be the Commissioner General of the Kenya Prison Services, Mr. Patrick Halandu. Welcome, sir. The CEO and Secretary EACC, Mr. Abdi Mahmoud, the County Commissioner Kisumu, the CECM in charge of Lansing, officials present, allow me to ride on the protocol already established. We are here today to launch the land recovery for prisons land. Prisons happen to be one of the institutions that has land in all the 47 counties of the Republic of Kenya. Therefore means we have prison facilities across the country. And one of the challenges that we have been facing is where government land set aside, designated for development and use of rehabilitation, construction of buildings and other developments has been encroached by people who have taken advantage of weak structures in place to ensure that they benefit from these parcels of land.
Na kwa mgajo mwano chen mabenedinyi machel kachele county ma Kisumu neno kanya pisaz magomaga EACC duol makedo ne duol mochung ne kedo kod mibadhi e pachoka mabende koro seido lope mabende oyaki he county mano ma Kisumu. Wadhi county ma Migori wawinya na pach jopiny kotendre kod thorwach mano mar mbaka oromo kepo mago mbolo bange nikech odonda ngeni wuok e county ma Migori ka juwose loso tabro bedo ka winjo pachi kotendre kod gik magiwacho.